Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. These are my new special series triple drone A flutes tuned to 440 Hz. They have been produced from Aromatic Cedar. Everyone has been wanting the Aromatic Cedar, so here they go, folks. These flutes here just came out beautifully, folks. They are so lovely. And I just can't say enough about them. They have extremely clear, crisp tones. And they are loud. They are recording quality. They are just wonderful, folks. Wonderful. You can do so much with these flutes. It's not even funny. I'm going to put this in here down because they play exactly the same. Bear with me. And I'll let you see this one here. Up close and personal. Like I said, this is my new triple drones made from Aromatic Cedar. No piece of wood will be exactly the same. It's very easy on the mouth. These here have my deer antler fetishes on them. It's my 9-hole triple drone. And as you can see, they're made totally different than anyone else's triple drones in the world. They have not been split and then glued together on the flutes themselves. They have been bored out using a gun drill, just like I always do them. So you won't have to worry about your flute right here ever cracking, folks. They are very durable. And even though it's a triple drone, it's extremely light. This is light, folks. It's like it's on air. But I don't know if my camera's doing it justice, but this is a very beautiful piece of wood. Look at there, folks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that mouth. It's no problem at all putting it in your mouth. You can get all 3 flutes in your mouth so easily, it's not even funny. But this one here you can do many different things with it. You can remove each piece of leather, just twist it. You can just twist it like so. You don't have to move it up and down. You can twist it like so, and you can play each individual hole with these flutes, and they'll be crystal clear too, folks. You can remove this piece of leather here and play the drone. You can play the middle one and this side here with just the one hole, or you can remove it and you can play 2 holes open along with this one, or with this. You can also play all 3 together if you wanted to, or you can twist the leather like so and open up all 3 holes. And you can play all 3 holes open up. You can play the main flute key along with this one, or you can play all 3 together with all 3 open. You can do, it's endless possibilities for what you can do with this flute. And I'm not going to play all of the holes for you. I'm going to just leave all 3 open because I have many videos that shows you how to play these flutes. But I'm going to let you see what this one here sounds like. It has such a wonderful voice, folks. It's unreal. You need to get you one. love it, folks. I might have messed up a few times. It's alright. Crap, everybody messes up. Nobody's perfect. But if you practice with this flute, you can do so much with it, folks. And you can record with it. You can play concerts with it. You can just sit around and entertain your friends. You can entertain yourself if you want to just go by the lake, the river, wherever you want to go and just relax and enjoy nature. Hear the birds sing. And I'm going to tell you, when you're playing these things, you might not believe me, but it seems like birds comes around. I was playing one day out there in the yard at the house, and you might think I'm telling a story, but time I started playing, there was a dove landing right there at me. And it was listening to me play. And just as soon as I stopped playing, the dove flew away. That tells you right there that the animals are listening. And if it's a soothing sound, a soothing voice, they will sit there and they will listen. Even dogs, our little puppy will go to sleep listening to this music. She doesn't howl like most dogs. She's calm and relaxed. It's so soothing it puts her to sleep. So it's not only good for us humans, it's good for animals also, folks. Purchase you one and you'll see what I'm talking about. I have them on sale. I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one right away, folks. And I appreciate everything you're doing for me. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. Happy fluting, folks. Enjoy life.